In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate percent change. This is still part of Unit 6, which we're going to color red. And we're going to start with some vocabulary. Percent change is the percent that a quantity increases or decreases. A formula is an equation that shows a mathematical relationship. The formula for percent change is percent change is equal to the new amount minus the original over the original amount. And I always like to think about that kind of catchy as no over O. So to help you quickly remember the formula, it's no over O. A couple of examples. The first world record for the 500 meter speed skating in the Olympics occurred in 1891 and was held by Oscar Gruden with a time of 50.8 seconds. The current world record was set by Jeremy Witherspoon in 2007 with a time of 34.03 seconds. What is the percent change? Is this a percent increase or a percent decrease? So number one, identify the original quantity. So the original quantity here is the first time. That would be 50.8 seconds. Okay. Determine the new quantity. This is the new time, the new world record. That would be 34.03 seconds. And we apply the formula and report your answer as a percent. So our formula, again, is no over O, new minus original over original, or new minus old over old. So my new time, 34.03, minus my original time, 50.8, over the original time, 50.8. So new minus old, new minus original over original. So I can plug this in my calculator. I would suggest doing this in 2 steps because your calculator is not aware of order of operations. So I need to make sure that I do my numerator first, 34.03 minus 50.8, and I get negative 16.77 all over 50.8. So now I can do my division, negative 16.77 divided by 50.8, and I get negative 0.33. Okay, this represents, if I change it to a percent, 33%, and the negative sign means this is a 33% decrease as my percent change. So when you get a negative number here, that means it's going to be a decrease. If you get a positive number here, it's going to be a percent increase. All right, letter B. The average snowman is 5 feet tall. The world's largest snowman, and it's actually a snow woman, was constructed in Bethel, Maine in 2008. She stood a whopping 122 feet tall. What is the percent change? Is this a percent increase or a percent decrease? So the original quantity, that's the original quantity that was stated in the question. The original quantity would be 5 feet. Okay, the new quantity would be the world record of 122 feet. And then we're going to apply the formula and report the answer as a percent. So, formula, no over O, new minus original over original. So my new is 122. My original is 5 over the original of 5. So 122 minus 5 gives me 117 over 5. So 117 divided by 5. And I get 23.4. I still have to convert this to a percent. It's not a percent yet. So I move the decimal 2 places to the right. So I have 2,340%. And that's going to be a 2,340% increase because my answer here was positive. You can see a picture of that snow woman right here. And these little guys right there are people, so you can see just how large she actually was.